Yes, hello there. Today is the 17th of June and I'm going to be talking about my potatoes today. You guys, it is the potatoes. They've been here for about 2 months now. So I presume another 1 more month and we're good to go. Right, the thing is, lad, I'm not a guru, a garden guru. You see what I mean? I just like gardening. You get what I'm saying to you? A lot of the stuff that I see, I've just watched and copied. And from that I've learned, you know? So that's why some of my videos, like, I don't really talk too much because I'm not a guru. I can't say do this and do that and it will work. I'm still experimenting myself. You understand? But at the end of the day, the result, speaks for itself, you know? So yeah, these potatoes, I'm looking to hopefully, take them out in the middle of July, towards the ending of July, depending how, the leaves are looking. I can't say exactly, like I said, I'm not a guru. All right, show you a quick close-up down here. What they're looking like. Right. I've had to put some straws, well, should I say garden, like clip cuttings, grass cuttings, sorry, along the bottom there, because some of the potatoes was actually starting to show. So the only thing I could, find at the time was some grass cuttings I had drying up on top of the compost bed. So I'm hoping that will work, or that'll do the job for now. But overall, the potatoes, yeah, they're growing well overall. I'm happy with the progress. Alright guys, so on that one, I'll say live well and together we grow.